Have you ever stumbled upon a tool so powerful it made you question if it should even exist? That's exactly what today's video is about. We're diving deep into the world of AI to uncover 10 tools that feel almost illegal to use, yet they're completely free, legal, and mind-blowingly effective. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious about the future, these tools are going to change the way you use the internet forever. Let's start with Perplexity AI, which is essentially Google's smarter cousin. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity doesn't give you a list of websites, it gives you direct answers, sourced and cited. Like a personal researcher on demand. You ask a question, and it gives you the best answer from across the internet, all in one clean response. It's incredibly helpful for research, writing, or even just learning something new without wasting time digging through links. Next up is Runway ML, a revolutionary tool for video creators. It allows you to turn simple text prompts into fully generated videos using AI. Just type something like a robot walking through a neon city at night, and it will create a cinematic sequence based on your description. This is not just fun, it's practical. From music videos to short films and YouTube intros, this tool gives you Hollywood power without Hollywood money. Our third tool is 11 Labs, a voice synthesis tool so good, it's scary. You can clone your own voice or use existing ones to create ultra-realistic speech. Want to turn a blog post into a podcast? Done. Need a voiceover for your video? Done. It even supports emotional tone and multilingual speech, making it one of the most advanced AI voice generators out there. Moving on, we have Leonardo AI, which is a dream for digital artists and designers. It's like Midjourney, but built for rapid, high-quality production with just a few prompts. You can create game assets, characters, concept art, and even YouTube thumbnails. If you're not a designer, this tool gives you pro-level results. If you are a designer, it just saved you hours of work. Fifth on the list is Looka. If you've ever wanted to start a business or a personal brand, but didn't have the design skills, Looka builds your entire brand identity with AI. Type in your name, pick your industry, and it generates logos, business cards, and brand kits instantly. It's the Canva of branding on autopilot. Let's talk about productivity. Notion AI turns the already powerful Notion app into a next-level digital assistant. You can ask it to summarize long text, brainstorm ideas, write content, or even fix your writing. It's like Chat GPT inside your notes, perfect for students, marketers, or content creators trying to stay organized and efficient. Coming in at number 7 is Opus Clip, the ultimate shortcut for content creators. Upload a long video, and this AI finds the most engaging moments and turns them into TikTok or YouTube Shorts complete. With captions, zooms, and highlight edits, you don't have to lift a finger. It saves hours of editing and helps you go viral faster. 8th on our list is Hagen, a futuristic AI that lets you create avatars that talk literally. You can pick a face, write a script, and it will generate a human-like video where your avatar speaks naturally. It's a great tool for explainer videos, tutorials, or even creating virtual spokespeople for your brand. At number 9, we've got Durable, which builds entire websites for you in seconds. No coding, no designing, just tell it what you do, and it generates a professional website, complete with images, testimonials, and a layout that actually converts. It's perfect for freelancers, startups, and anyone who wants a presence online without hiring a developer. Finally, we have Pymize, the most controversial tool on the list. Upload a photo, and it scans the internet to find that person's face anywhere it appears. Whether it's for digital privacy, reputation monitoring, or sheer curiosity, this tool is incredibly powerful and a little scary. It's facial recognition meets search engine. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that feel way too powerful to be free, but they are. Whether you're trying to build a brand, boost your productivity, or just have fun, these tools are your secret weapons. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And those who know how to use it, they're already ahead. If any of these tools blew your mind, drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to try first. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wild AI content every single day. This is CognizeX, and we're just getting started.